स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्तम ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमी पुणे. महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षकांचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स, PDF स्वरूपात नोट्स व प्रश्नपत्रिका उपलब्ध, तेही अगदी माफक फीसमध्ये. बॅच जॉईन करण्यासाठी आजच गुगल प्ले स्टोअरवरून ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमीचे ॲप डाउनलोड करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क करा 95 11 28 04 65.
Hello friends, welcome you all to the next session of how to write effective answers. Today we are going to deal with the first important dimension of a very good answer writing, and the dimension is what should be the ideal structure of an answer. What should be the ideal structure of an answer? Let's go for it. Now this is the important thing. Now, if you go for this particular question, what should be the ideal structure of an answer? You know that every answer should have three important dimensions. Those three important dimensions are: first part, it is introduction of the answer. Second, it is about main body of the answer. And third, it is about conclusion of the answer. So, first thing, the structure of an answer involves these three important dimensions. First, introduction. Second, main body. Third, it is conclusion. So, every of your answer should have introduction, main body and conclusion. But if there is time constraint and it do not permit you to go, if do not give you this leisure to write all these dimensions, then straight away start writing the what is most important objective of the answer in a straightforward manner. Do not waste your time in writing introduction, main body and conclusion. First thing. Second important thing, do not give the title like this is introduction of the question, this is main body of the question, and this is conclusion of the question. Do not use these words. Like it happened that this is your answer sheet. Here you write it is introduction, and then you write introduction. Then you write here main body. Then you write main body, and here you write conclusion, and then you write conclusion. No, these three words, introduction, main body, and conclusion, should not be used anywhere in your answer. It should be natural. The evaluator should come to know, this is the introduction of this person's answer. This is main body. And this is conclusion. This is a pattern you have to write. Do not use the words introduction, main body and conclusion in your answer. It will not give you good show of your answer. Clear? So this thing must be very, very clear. Structure of every answer involves three important dimensions: introduction, main body and conclusion. And while you writing this introduction, main body and conclusion, you have to take care that you should not use three words in your answer. That is, this is introduction, this is main body and this is conclusion. This should be a natural, this should be organic reflection from your answer. Now, while thinking about structure of your answer, you have to think about the word management. You have to think about the word management of your answer. This is important part. Right. Now, how this word management should go, I'll just work on it. About this introduction, body and conclusion, how it works. Let's go for it. Now, here remember, we are going to study about word management of your structure of your answer. Let us say if you are writing an answer of 150 words. Now when you are going to write answer of 150 words, introduction should be given a weightage of 25 to 30 words and conclusion should be given again 20 to 25 words. Conclusion should be there in just only 1 to 2 words, whereas 110 to 100 words should be given for main body. Remember this thing. Whenever you are going to write answer of 150 words, introduction should be given 25 to 30 words, conclusion should be given 20 to 25 words, and main body should be given 100 to 110 words. This should be natural. You are not expected to count the words. You won't get the time. So this thing you have to practice while you are preparing at your home. And this should be, you should have that eye span. You should have that line sentences, that my single line covers almost 6 to 7 words. My one paragraph covers almost 25 words. So my entire answer should be covered in just only how many paragraph? 5 to 6 paragraph. This is a practice. This is a thing of professionalism. Always remember, UPSC is an examination of answer writing, and if you want to score a very good marks, you have to work on everything very professionally. So to write answer of 150 words, introduction should be given 25 to 30 words, main body should be given 110 to 100 words, and conclusion should be given 20 to 25 words. If you are writing answer of 250 words, again introduction 25 to 30 words, not more than that. Conclusion again 25 to 30 words, and remaining almost 190 to 200 words should be given for main body. So this thing must be very, very clear in the minds of everyone if you want to score a good marks. First thing, introduction, main body, conclusion, and if you want to good mark, you have to focus on this thing. Now let's go for it. For one example, how you are going to write the answer, you have to understand the question. So let's go for it. We'll try to understand this question. What is the question? Sikkim is the first organic state in India. Sikkim is the first organic state in India. What are the ecological and economical benefits of organic state? Sikkim is the first organic state of India. And what are the ecological and economic significance of organic state? They are not saying to India only. They are talking about general thing, but your answer should be restricted to India only. Why? Because they have given a reference of Sikkim. That's why this answer should be restricted to India. You can just take a little tour outside India, but not more words, because you have limitation of words and you have to cover this answer in 150 words. Then what should be the ideal structure of this answer? What should be there in your structure? So first, what should be the part of your introduction here? Introduction should be written in how many words? 25 to 30 words. So this introduction should cover few lines explaining about who, when and why declared Sikkim as the first organic state. Right. Already we are going to discuss significance, ecological and economic significance of organic state in our main body. That's why your introduction should start with who, why and when declared Sikkim as first organic state. This can be written in 25 to 30 words, first thing. Then you have to go for main body of your answer, which says, see, you have to divide this answer in two parts. First part, you have to straight away write ecological benefits of organic state. 50 words. Sorry. And then you have to write economic benefits of organic state. Here 50 words and here it is 50 words. So remember, 50 and 50 words. 50 words should be given for ecological and economic significance. It happens many times that you just write about ecological significance, you forget about economic significance. There is a proper division of marks given in the hands of evaluator. If you give entire credit to this part, out of 2 you might score 1, but you have not written this part, so here you will score 0. So out of 4 you are scoring just only 1 mark, though you have written very good answer. So this is main structure, ecological benefits of organic state and economic benefits of organic state. This is structure. Then finally, what should be conclusion? Future roadmap for establishing organic states in India. What government of India planning to have more and more organic state in India should be conclusion. Why? Because here we are discussing about significance, and while discussing about significance, we should always think of future. So always remember, the conclusion of your answer should be futuristic. This is basic. Remember, the conclusion of any answer should be futuristic. Always thinking about the future of that problem, that issue, that particular thing, how its future will be and how this future can be improved upon, how we are going to work on the future of this aspect, this dimension must be worked upon. So here conclusion should talk about future roadmap from the side of the government, from the people, from the state about establishing more and more organic states in India. But if time constraint is there, if you do not write this conclusion, still it is okay, because you have covered the most important part of your answer, which is introduction, and second is part is main body. Every question should be written in this manner. Already I have started one very, very important series, and that series is daily answer writing challenge on our YouTube. Just go through the daily answer writing challenge on YouTube, where you will get an idea what all points I am putting in those answers, so that you will get a proper idea about introduction, main body and conclusion, and what all points should be covered. This will give you a brief idea about writing very good answers. So I would suggest every one of you just go through all these parts of the answer. This will help you in scoring a very good answer. So this is part from my side. We'll keep meeting on many series of this lecture. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Thank you.
स्पर्धा परीक्षेच्या तयारीसाठी महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्तम ऑनलाईन प्लॅटफॉर्म ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमी पुणे. महाराष्ट्रातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट शिक्षकांचे व्हिडिओ लेक्चर्स, PDF स्वरूपात नोट्स व प्रश्नपत्रिका उपलब्ध, तेही अगदी माफक फीसमध्ये. बॅच जॉईन करण्यासाठी आजच गुगल प्ले स्टोअरवरून ज्ञानदीप अकॅडमीचे ॲप डाउनलोड करा. अधिक माहितीसाठी संपर्क करा 95 11 28 04 65.